Good morning. It's 9:30. We just woke up. Me and Kelsey are gonna go get some breakfast.
Oh my, Ben, this looks so good. Whatever.
Oh well. I don't know if we ended yesterday's vlog or not, but I think we did. I'm not sure. It's uploading right now, so it's already too late. If we didn't, sorry. I thought it did, but might not have. Today we are doing the water park, so don't expect a lot of footage, but I can try and record some rides. I don't really want to destroy my phone, even though it is waterproof. What it sounds like, it's just going to be me, Kelsey, and our family. Austin might tag along with us, I'm not sure. But right now, we're going to get some breakfast because we're hungry. And so, yeah, breakfast. Breakfast was acquired.
I ate a lot.
I say we did eat quite a bit. I literally got like a bowl full of grapes, and by a bowl full, I mean like
huge bowl.
It was a huge bowl, and I was like, "Oh man, I'm just gonna get a bowl of grapes." And then I started filling it, and I didn't realize how much I filled it. So literally half my breakfast was grapes. But anyway, we got breakfast. Vlog is rendered, still uploading. About an hour later, and we're going to Typhoon Lagoon.
No,
Blizzard Beach.
Why do you keep getting them confused?
I don't know. There's two water parks here, and I get them.
We're going to Blizzard Beach. We already went to Typhoon Lagoon. Who knows? We might halfway through the day be like, "Hey, let's go back to Typhoon Lagoon."
That's possible.
And just
yeah,
beach hop all day.
Exactly. But oh boy, hello. We've got to catch a bus from Animal Kingdom to Typhoon Lagoon.
No.
Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach.
Oh my God.
I don't know
From
where.
here, Jamaica, we have to catch a Animal Kingdom bus that will take us.
Sorry, car. But
That will take us to Blizzard Beach.
yes, because you have to go to Animal Kingdom first, because there's no direct bus to either one of the water parks.
Which sucks, but
It does. But that's the plan right now. Austin's going to meet us there at 1 o'clock, and then about 4:30 we got to come back here, so that way we can shower and change.
for dinner. We're
I'll
going
say.
to Germany for dinner tonight.
Yes, we're going back to Epcot. We're going to what is it?
Beer garden.
Biergarten. That's right.
German food.
Yes, German food. And yeah, that's what we're doing tonight. I don't even think we gave last night's food a food review. We went to Vienna Poli's last night.
Yeah.
How'd you like it?
The seafood salad was okay. I mean, the lettuce was weird on it.
Yeah.
Like little, I don't know, shreds of lettuce. I don't know.
Yeah.
But there was squid in it, and it was really salty. So I took all the squid out and the olives. So literally, that was like half my salad that I took.
Yeah.
I only left the shrimp and what did I say that was?
Shrimp and calamari.
Yeah, calamari out of it, which I have no clue what calamari is, but it's really good. I have no clue what it is.
I've never tried shrimp. Never tried squid. Sorry. So I tried some of her squid, and it was raw squid. It was definitely raw.
It was salty and chewy. I've had squid before.
I was. It
didn't taste like that.
It was cold, and so I definitely think it was raw.
Yeah.
But then I had the pepperoni pizza, and it was delicious.
Which I wish I got pizza because pizza was really good. But I'm picky about my pizza, so I didn't know if I would like it.
It was an authentic Italian restaurant. It was delicious. I would definitely recommend any sort of pizza from there. I'm sure it all tastes very good. The pepperoni was good. My only complaint was how sparse they put it. Like the pepperonis were only put like.
Yeah, the pepperonis were pretty small.
They like clumped them together. They didn't like spread it out. They clumped it together. But yeah, there's people here, so we're gonna stop vlogging. And we'll see you guys at Blizzard Beach. We made it to Blizzard Beach. We can wait for Goofy and take a photo with them. I don't care. Alright, anyway, made it to Blizzard Beach, and we had to take a bus from Animal Kingdom, which already sucks. But we literally then ran to around the parking lot so that we could get on a bus. We literally like jumped on the bus as they were about to close the doors. So it's kind of nice to have. Yeah, we made it. We didn't have to wait for a
Now we're
bus.
taking a picture with Goofy.
That was perfect. We can't fake that.
We couldn't.
That's
We're
staying
great.
in. This is all staying in. I don't care. That was just so good.
There's
So,
more of them.
We're kind of walking around. We're seeing all these cool little things I don't remember. Like these icicles are literally melting. Like you can see the water.
Yeah, and there was
falling
like
off them.
there was snowmen over there, and it looked like they were like melting too. You could take
they
a
have
picture.
water
of
rushing
them.
off them, and then I say it's like those little details that like you really appreciate here at Disney. Like it is so hot that melts. But
And it's called Blizzard Beach, so it's kind of like the snow looks like it's melting.
yeah. I don't know where we're going at all because neither one of us have a park map. We don't know what anything is like here.
Right up there.
We need to go find a place to set our stuff down though. And I see a lazy river that we're walking over right now. There's some sort of gondola looking thing in front of me. I don't know what that's all about.
It takes you up to the top, to these rides at the top.
Oh, to the plunge? I ain't doing the plunge. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the human table. This is what I am. Instead of everyone just to sit at a table, we decided to come back here and eat. And yeah, I'm a human table. How do you feel about that? I bet you do. I bet you do. Hi, Blizzard Beach. It's been fun.
It was really fun.
But it's 3 o'clock. We're headed out a little bit early so we want to make sure we have plenty of time to get back, shower, and make it to our dinner on time.
Yep.
Sorry, I lost my voice there a little bit. It was a pretty productive day. What all we did 3 or 4 different slides. We went and did the lazy river.
That was really fun.
And then we went ahead and we went to the wave pool for a little bit.
Wave pool was really cool too.
Yeah.
It's constant waves, you know, like most wave pools, they stop for a little bit, and then they do the waves. This one's a constant wave.
Yeah. And then I went on Crush Gush, which isn't the straight down plummet one. It's like a straight down, and then it's got some curves on it. It's a lot simpler, and like the intermediate step, I guess you could say, because I was not doing a straight plunge.
Ooh, my face is red.
All right. Anyway, but yeah, so that's what we did today. Now we're gonna go hop on a bus. So we gotta get a bus back to Animal Kingdom.
No.
Yeah.
This bus will take us straight to our resort. It said that.
I know it says that, but there's not. I already checked on the boards on the way out. Anyway, gotta take a bus to Animal Kingdom and then go back to our resort from there. So this is gonna be a long trip. And a half hour later, we're back.
Yes.
What's funny is it still took us a half hour to get from Blizzard Beach to our resort, even though we didn't wait for any buses. So as soon as we walked out of Blizzard Beach, there was a bus to Animal Kingdom right there, so we hopped right on it. As soon as we got off that bus, I ran, she sped walked, to our gate because there was another bus to Caribbean Beach. So we didn't wait for a single bus. It still took us a half hour to get back.
Yeah. It would have taken longer if we had to wait for a bus.
I'll say if we missed both of those buses, we probably wouldn't be back for another hour and a half. Because the buses take forever here. It's terrible.
Forever.
That's my only complaint with this place really is that the bus length that you have to wait for everything is so bad.
And you're waiting every time.
So you're waiting at least 15-20 minutes for a bus
and
every time.
And they're never like right on time.
Yeah.
What the app says.
I say the app's supposed to tell you, oh, the bus is supposed to arrive at this time, and it's going to get to your park at this time. It's always like 5 minutes off. For every minute, it goes up a minute. So it's always like 10-20 minutes away. Yeah. That's enough of that rant. We're going to go shower and change, and then head off to dinner.
Yes.
Boom.
Boom. We're here.
We're not done.
We made it before everybody else did.
Yes, we're the first ones here. We're not going to be late. Now watch that.
Early.
Now I said that somehow, some way we're going to be late and we're all going to be here.
No.
Yeah, made it to Epcot. Some reason my phone is saying that it's lightning outside.
No. And we didn't bring ponchos.
No, it's gorgeous outside. So I certainly hope it doesn't start raining. It's not supposed to rain for the rest of the time we're at this trip, but that could change in any second because it's Florida and that's how it rolls. But yeah, we're going to kind of take our time a little bit. We're going to walk through Canada and the UK and kind of some of those other countries that we kind of just skipped past yesterday because we were too busy trying to get to certain places to do certain things. So we're going to kind of take our time, go through it all, and how you doing? I was kind of straight. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. And yeah, I don't got anything else. Do you got anything else?
Nope.
Alright, cool. This is my favorite. Oi, oi, oi! Oi, oi, oi! Oi, oi, oi! Cheers. 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 You didn't cheers anyone else, you got cheers first. There we go. You didn't cheers anyone either. Cole, cheers someone so you can drink something. Good boy. Alright, so me and Austin went for a more rounded vehicle here. Meanwhile, they went for pure power, which I don't blame them. That's what I wanted to do. But this guy wanted to be lame.
Looks like
We're gonna go on test track, and we're actually going to have fun with it. I'm gonna record it this time. See you guys in 2 seconds. It looks like a DeLorean. That looks so good. Ours looks pretty bad, but it's okay. Green line means
Hello.
go.
The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
Kyle.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar. SIM-car performance data acquired.
God.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Hey, we got second.
Oh yeah.
Austin's default car got
Capability
first.
test results displayed and verified.
Yeah, you
Now
guys,
let's see how
you
your
guys got
vehicles
fourth.
compare when it comes to their
Yeah.
efficiency.
You guys got fourth on that one.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging eco-scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress.
Hey, we got second again. Second again. We got second. You guys got last.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Responsiveness. Oh
The
boy.
responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
Yes, I love this. So put that semi there.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
We still beat you guys. We got seconds. We got seconds.
Here comes the final test.
All right, hey, y'all. Put it in sleep.
Power test.
Yeah, now. Watch sleep. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think so. Oh, there it was. Hey. I thought it was right out the door. Look at the center. Yes, this is sponsored by Chevy. Ah! 65 miles an hour! Fireworks! Yeah! 65 miles an hour in dark with fireworks. We thought the photo was later. These brakes suck. Someone needs to. We got second.
Displaying power test results.
By 3 points. We
Testing
got second.
complete.
This concludes your performance testing.
All right.
You'll be able to see how your
No,
Chevrolet
that was
custom
just for
concept
power.
vehicle designs compare to
I'll
the
say
same
everything
car
else we want.
after you disembark.
All right.
Please watch your step as you exit.
All right, now we're gonna come over here and scan our magic bands and see how we did compared to Kyle and them. All right. All right, they had a 204. Austin, here's our car. Our car had a 216. We had a better car. We had a better car. That's how we do it, Austin. Let's go. That's how we do. All right. So we won. The only thing they beat us in was speed. So we won. We're the best around. So
No,
we
I
forgot to.
can't.
So we forgot to end yesterday's vlog. So we're doing that.
Again.
Yeah, we're bad on that. So we're doing that right now. Because we're at Animal Kingdom, and actually we thought the park opened at 8, but it's open until 9.
It's at 9. So we are definitely going to get out and Flight of Passage again today.
So we're an hour and 15 minutes early. So yeah, do a Flight of Passage yet because it's fun, and that's all I got. So good morning.